What is up, everybody? Welcome to one of the 8 episodes in the You Are What You Eat series. In today's episode, we will be explaining and showing you the process of ingestion and absorption of water once it enters your body and how it is used. Now, before we get too far, it's important to note that water, unlike food, does not get digested. Instead, it gets absorbed. Water's journey first begins in the mouth, and the first big step the body takes is registering hydration. After a few gulps of water, the brain will prematurely convince the body that it's had enough to drink. This is important because it takes quite a while for water to be absorbed and used in bodily functions. If the brain registers hydration once these areas receive water, you would have drunk more water than your body needs. From here, the water travels through the esophagus and into the stomach. This is where the process of water absorption into the bloodstream begins. A large majority of water's absorption into the bloodstream occurs after passing through the stomach and into the small intestine. The quantity and rate at which water is absorbed in the stomach depends on how much a person has eaten. If one's stomach is empty, they will experience a faster rate of water absorption than one with a full stomach. Once water has traveled through the stomach, it continues on into the small intestine. As I said before, this is where a large majority of water's absorption occurs. Next, the remaining water travels to the large intestine, where it will be combined with solid matter to soften stool or be absorbed into the bloodstream. Something interesting to know is that the large intestine has evolved over time as a result of living on land and the need of water. Since not all water is absorbed by the time it reaches the large intestine, this evolution allows the large intestine to absorb the very last remaining water molecules. As creatures that are dependent upon water, it would be a waste to simply throw out something so precious to our lives. Now, let's move on to how water is used. One way in which absorbed water is used is in the process of digestion. As we have learned, water is the key way in which enzymes break down substrates. If there's no water, then there's no breaking down of food. This picture shows how water is transferred from the bloodstream into the small intestine, where enzymes with loaded active sites are ready to receive water to break substrates down into products. This is not the only way water is used in our bodies. The stomach uses water to keep digesting food in a solution, which aids in the process of digestion by making it easier. Water helps the liver by flushing out toxins from your body. For the kidneys, it helps remove waste from your blood in the form of urine and also helps keep your blood vessels open so that blood can travel with more ease. For our heart, since it's constantly pumping blood, water allows the heart to pump blood more easily and as a result allows the muscles in your body to work even better. For cells, water acts as a transport medium to carry nutrients and oxygen. There are many other ways water is used throughout the human body, and these are just some of them.